Today we're going to do a basic drum beat and a drum fill. Now, here I am with my pad, and here's the thing. You don't need drums right now. You don't need a drum set. You can practice this coordination for this beat right here with a practice pad. Okay, first off, let's talk about, just the coordination aspect of this. We're going to be using we got a couple of sticks here, got my practice pad. This practice pad is going to represent the snare drum and the hi-hat. I'm going to move my right hand up here towards the top of the practice pad for my hi-hat. I'll keep my left hand right here for the snare drum hit. So the very first part of this, I'm going to say 1. My counting system is 1, 2, 1, 2. For count 1, I'm playing this part and my kick at the same time. So I'll stomp my foot on the floor for that. 1, 1. So for count 2, I'm just using my hands for this. That's it. 2. So if I go back and forth with this, I got kick and my hi-hat. 1, and then 2. So I'll go back and forth with that a bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And really don't have to stomp on the floor. You can just tap your foot. So now we're going to do a drum fill. So this drum fill count will be 1 and 2 and. So I'm still using my 1 and 2 as my counting system, but I'm putting an and in there to represent the notes that go in between those counts. So they're faster notes known as eighth notes. A regular 1-2 count will be quarter notes, and the 1 and 2 and are eighth notes. So it's counted like this: 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. For my drum fill, I brought both hands to the center part of this practice pad. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. So now I'm going to do a sequence where I do 3 2 counts followed by the fill. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. Now that you got your first drum beat and fill down, very cool. Now imagine how it's going to feel a month from now with consistent step-by-step practice. If you're ready to keep the momentum going, I invite you to join my beginner drummer membership, MJ's Drumheads Club. Inside, you'll get a brand new video every week with fun, easy to follow, fundamental exercises designed just for beginners. Plus, you get a chance to hop on a weekly live group call where you can ask questions, hear other drummers ask questions, get feedback, and stay motivated. It's like having a drum teacher and a support crew in your corner in a no pressure, motivating, supportive community. Click the link below to find out more. I look forward to seeing you there.